In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to add animation in PowerPoint to make your slides engaging. So firstly, select the thing which you want to animate first. So firstly, I want to animate my title. So I just need to select it. Then head over to the animation tab from this ribbon. And here you can choose animation which you want. So if I simply select this animation, then I can preview it here. And there are multiple options you can see here. So I just want to add an float in animation just like this. And now if you want to increase the duration of your animation or decrease it, then just go to the duration section and you can decrease it from here. And now to preview it, we need to tap on the preview option and now click on preview and you can see the preview here. Now then I want to add animation for my tiger and this text at the same time. If you want to add animation for a single thing, then just select the thing and then tap on the animation tab and select the animation. But I want to add animation for both of these objects at once. So for that, select the first object and then hold shift on your keyboard and select the second object from the corner if it is a text. And now you can see both the things are now selected. Now head over to the animation tab and add any animation. So I just want to add an zoom animation from here, but there are a couple of options, but I want to go with zoom animation. And you can see the zoom effect here. We can change the duration, we can add and delay, and you can see the little text here which is number 2. And you can see both the thing have 2 number because I animated them at once at the second place, and this was the first text which I animated, that's why it has 1 number. And now to preview it, we need to go to the presenter view, and you can see if I click anywhere else, the first animation will appear, and now if I click again, then the second thing will appear as I click. So this is the process. Now if you want to change the position of your animations, then for that go to the animation pane, and now we just need to drag the second thing to the up, and now you can see the second thing is now first and the first text is now on the second animation. Now if I play it again, you can see if I click here, then the tiger and the description will come first, and now if I again click it, then the header text will appear. So this is the complete process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.